Apparel refers to clothing used for dress or decoration. As a noun, it encompasses garments worn for various occasions. As a verb, it means to dress up or put clothes on. Understanding apparel's dual role enhances our grasp of fashion and personal expression. Denounce means to condemn openly or accuse formally. It's often used in contexts where someone publicly criticizes or accuses another of wrongdoing. This term is crucial in legal and social settings where formal accusations or public condemnations are necessary to address misconduct or injustice. Expressly means to communicate something plainly and clearly, often for a specific purpose. It involves using direct language to ensure the message is understood without ambiguity. This term is crucial in legal and formal contexts where precision is essential. Forsake means to give up or abandon something or someone. It involves a conscious decision to renounce a commitment or responsibility. This term is often used in contexts where a person decides to leave behind a previous path or relationship, highlighting a significant change or shift in priorities. Immense describes something extraordinarily large or great, surpassing typical measurements. This term is often used to emphasize the vastness or magnitude of an object, idea, or experience, highlighting its exceptional scale or impact. Inept describes a lack of skill or appropriateness. It often refers to actions or decisions that are clumsy or misguided, highlighting an absence of competence. Understanding this term helps in identifying situations where improvement or guidance is necessary, ensuring more effective and suitable outcomes. Instantaneous refers to actions or events occurring immediately, without delay. In technology, instantaneous responses are crucial for real-time applications, ensuring seamless user experiences. Understanding this term helps in appreciating the importance of speed and efficiency in various fields, from computing to communication. Libel involves a written statement that unjustly damages someone's reputation. As a noun, it refers to the harmful statement itself, while as a verb, it describes the act of writing or publishing such content. Understanding libel is crucial in maintaining ethical communication and protecting individuals' reputations. Misgiving refers to a feeling of fear, doubt, or uncertainty. It often arises when one is unsure about a decision or situation, leading to hesitation. Understanding this term is crucial in recognizing and addressing personal or professional concerns effectively. Repast refers to a meal or food. It is often used to describe a formal or elaborate meal, but can also refer to any instance of eating. Understanding this term enriches our vocabulary, allowing us to describe dining experiences with more precision and elegance.